Hey guys, welcome back to DelVlogger124. Today we're going to be taking a look at an unofficial version of Windows, which it's not officially released by Microsoft, but still runs on like seemingly the same code base as Windows 11. It's called Windows 11 Lite. It's like Chrome OS Flex. So in today's video, we're going to be installing it on the Toshiba laptop that we installed Chrome OS Flex on. And we're just going to have a little look, and the next video we're going to have, like, fully explore the OS and what's different between normal Windows 11 and this Windows 11. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. I'll just get the laptop out and then we can start installing it on this laptop. Hey guys, so I've got this Toshiba laptop open now. So keep in mind, don't mind the noise in the background, since like there's a couple of birds and aeroplanes flying over above the sky. So what we are going to do now is I'm just going to turn the computer on. I'm just going to plug the flash drive in real quick. Turn it on. Spam F12 because I think that's the... Okay, we are on the boot menu. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to real quick plug the keyboard in. Hey guys, so I've also just plugged the keyboard in. The screen is very reflective right now, so you can't really see that much stuff. But what we're going to do is go down to USB, down here. Okay, Ventoy is loaded. I'm just going to zoom you guys in actually. So there's actually three OSs on this flash drive. There's Windows 7, Windows 11 Normal, and Windows 11 21H2. Built by Neil Kaipas. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, shout out to this amazing person. He has a channel, I'll link that in the description. But he is the reason that he made Windows 11 Lite. So yeah, let's try it out. So it's loading into the Windows 11 Lite ISO. For some reason it's using the Windows 10 logo. For some reason. I don't really know why. But I will start recording again once this is loaded up. Hey guys, welcome. So, welcome. This is loaded now. So, I've also managed to eliminate some of the reflections that were previously a problem. So now I can continue with the setup. But this setup does look like Windows 10 setup. If I'm honest, I haven't set up Windows 10 in a long time, but it looks exactly like Windows 10 setup. So we're just going to click next, I guess. We can agree to the Microsoft license agreements and stuff during like filming and stuff. So what we do need to do now is we actually need to delete all these partitions. So let's do that. 0.0 megabyte partitions. What I could have done is boot into Ventoy's home boot recovery thing and then done it that way. Actually, let's do it that way since Windows is going to take a long time with deleting the partitions. You can do this after. So I'm just going to boot into Hiron's boot recovery now, real quick. So yeah, I will be right back once I boot it on and then we can start deleting partitions. Hey guys, I'm back. When Hiron boot CD has loaded, finally, after a long time. But yeah, now we can go into disk management. Disk management. Connecting to virtual disk service. So now we can just start deleting volumes. Yes. Taking a while, but yeah, what you expect with laptop computers. They're slow with hard drives and stuff in them. So delete. So delete volume. Yes. Yeah, now we can starting to delete them fairly quick, I think, if we just like, oh yeah. Just delete this position isn't. Yes. Should take a while, just delete. Okay, delete volume. And again, sorry for the noise like behind me since it's very windy outside. So yeah. Why can't I delete this volume? I can't delete it for some reason. See if I can go into like utilities. I know there's another one on here. I think it's called like hard disk tools, data recovery, defragmenting disk. Data recovery, no. It's called AOMI, so AE. Acronis Terminal, wow. AOMI Partition Assistant. If we go delete partition, delete the partition quickly. So there, and if we commit all of them before exit, yes. Proceed, yes. Have been completed, well, yes. Let's go back into disk management and see what that says. Okay, disk management. Yep, I deleted everything, which is good. And now we can get back to installing Windows 11 Lite on this computer. So what I'm going to do now is I'll load into the operating system and then I'll turn the camera back on and then we can start installing the OS. Hey guys, so setup is starting now, if this camera can focus. It says setup is starting. So let's just wait for that to happen, but it's loading into Windows 11 Lite's installer now. As again I mentioned earlier that it looks like Windows 10's installer, but I'm pretty sure this Windows 11 Lite version is based off, I think, Windows 10 maybe? I'm not sure, but I think it is based off Windows 10. It's like installer and stuff, so yeah. So let's just click next. I agree to Microsoft's terms of conditions and stuff. So let's continue next. Unallocated space. So wow, it's already started copying Windows 11 files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you guys into a time lapse and then I'll be right back when this is done. Guys, so Windows 11 Lite just finished installing. It kind of, the setup procedure we're now doing, it kind of looks like Windows 8 / early versions of Windows 10 setup. Don't really know why, but yeah. Okay, so it wants us to choose a password. I will do that. Okay, let's do that off screen so it doesn't show, does it? No, it doesn't show. So I'll just do that. So there, it's finishing our settings up. I wonder what it's doing now. Please wait for Windows modules installed. It's not even centered. Windows module. Wait for local session manager. Well, it's Windows 11. Admin. It's asking for a password. Please wait for the user profile service, applying user settings. Wait, preparing Windows. I wouldn't imagine this being the setup process though, ever. So, it's loading up now, currently. I don't really feel safe connecting this up to the Wi-Fi though. So it's preparing Windows now, but I don't think I will hook it up. What I will do is I'll just install like all the videos and stuff and tests I want to do on a flash drive, and then I'll plug that in. But yeah, I don't really feel safe hooking this up to the Wi-Fi since Windows 10 installer, Windows 8 like setup, and then Windows 11 logo and wallpaper and everything. Yeah, this is just a janky version of Windows. I'm just waiting for this to load now. I'll actually restart the video since judging anything on this computer, it's going to take a while for the first time while it's preparing Windows. So I will do that later. So yeah, what I will do is I'll do this later. Won't do this later. I'll restart the camera when this is done. So yeah, see you guys then. Hey guys, so we're back on Windows 11 here. It's still rerunning compressor utility for some reason. Yeah, so well, we don't have enough time to explore the whole Windows 11 obviously, but there are quite a few apps pre-installed and stuff on here, settings and stuff like that. You go down to all apps, Windows Ease of Access. There's a magnifier, on-screen reader, and there's a bunch of apps pre-installed. Rather than the 5, this amazingly only takes up 10 gigabytes of space if we go down to File Explorer here. So it says if we go down to this PC, 224 gigs available out of the 232, so less than 5 gigs actually, which is great. It's probably because the compressor utility running. It's probably going to shrink it down to 5 gigabytes of space, but it is great. So yeah, this is it for now, but we will be exploring next video. So this is the end of this video for now. We will definitely be taking a deeper look at Windows 11 Lite next video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you all next week. You guys, one quick thing before I sign off in this video, again, it does recognize the CPU, thank God it recognizes the utility, and also the memory, so it's only using 1.4 gigs out of 3 gigabytes provided to it, which is still a lot more than it should be using, since it is Windows 11 Lite, it's supposed to only take up like 256 megs. But yeah, we will definitely look into that next video. So yeah, see you guys next video, just again saying that. So yeah, this is the end of the video for now. Yeah.